What's up, guys? Good morning and welcome back to another video. So I just woke up. It's like 7 in the morning, and also I don't have a load on me because yesterday I was supposed to pick up a load in Monterey, Tennessee, but I couldn't make that pickup. I have another load that I am heading to Marietta, Georgia to pick up another load that's delivering tomorrow, but it's coming from a driver. It's not already at the terminal. That driver is going to drop it off, I think, at 1 p.m. today. So once he dropped that load off today, I can head down to Marietta, Georgia and pick that load up. With that being said, I don't have to deliver it until tomorrow, 6 p.m. So once I deliver that load tomorrow, I am heading to South Carolina, and that load is delivering in Georgia, somewhere in Georgia. I can't remember, but then I'm heading down to South Carolina and to pick up a load in South Carolina. That being said, guys, yesterday was a good day, man. It was alright. It wasn't too bad, even though the receiver took 6 hours to unload my trailer. But yeah, guys, like I told you guys, I just woke up, man, and I'm about to go make a smoothie. Oh man, I don't know why this table is so dusty, but I cooked on that table yesterday, so I gotta wipe it out. Yeah, I made a video, guys. I cooked up a whole dinner yesterday. Y'all gotta go check out that video, man. Let's get the ingredients from here to make my smoothie. Alright, let's grab some milk. I don't know if I want to use the milk, but we're gonna still grab it. This is it's like a juice smoothie. It's not a smoothie exactly. It's like a juice, but we'll still get it. And also a yogurt. I have a Nature Valley bar also that I'll eat while I'm having the smoothie. That's a lot of calorie, man. I have a spoon right here to open this yogurt. This is a peach yogurt, man. Yeah, let's give it a shot, man. Check this out, guys. That's peach and yogurt, man. That's good, man. I have a smoothie bottle, guys. I think I showed you guys my smoothie bottle once. Yeah, I think that much is good, or just a little bit more. Yeah, there you go. Let's put some of this. I'll put you guys here. Oh, this looks good, man. I wanted to eat this yogurt by itself, but yeah, I'll just go ahead and make a smoothie with it, man. You know, drinking a smoothie and eating the yogurt by itself is a whole different thing. Have you guys ever seen Love's Fuel Stop under construction? I'll show you guys right now. Look, guys. They're actually working at Love's right now. Oh, that's a Crete truck right there. Well, he's hauling a Crete trailer. It doesn't look like a Crete truck, but he's hauling a trailer. And they're working at Love's, man. Alrighty, guys. Let's continue to make this smoothie, man. I'll add some milk into it and we'll get it going, man. Just some more. Yeah, that much is good. That looks about right. All right, let's give it a go, man. All right, that should be good. Let's give it a taste test. It's creamy, fruity, it's not too thick, and it's super light. But yeah, this is a good smoothie, man. Really, really good smoothie. Yeah, this is breakfast, guys. Nature Valley bar, because I really don't eat early in the morning. Anything around 5, 6, and 7, I really don't eat in the morning. Maybe if it's like, if I'm super hungry, then I'll go get something from the truck stop. But other than that, I don't eat, man. When it comes to lunch though, I'll have a big lunch. You know, like the truck stop have these they have these boxes of pizza that I usually get. They fill you up real quick, man. It's like a solid box of pizza from Godfather Pizza. They have different toppings on the pizza, so yeah,